Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the nouns and the kind of nouns. Before we discuss about the nouns, let us know a little bit about this topic. First of all, what is a noun? Actually, noun is nothing but a name. Noun is nothing but a name given to any person or anything. Here thing means anything that you see around you. If a word suggests a name of something or someone or some place, then we call it we will call that word a naming word, or in better words we will call it a noun. So there are different types of nouns. What they refer? They refer to a person, they refer to animals, names of animals, they refer names of things, ideas, events, etc. So we have understood that a word which tells us a name, we call it a noun. That name could be the name of an animal, could be a place, could be a thing, could be an idea, could be an event or anything else. We often give names to a person, to animals. We often give name to the person, to the animals, places, things or ideas. So on the basis of this, we classify nouns into proper noun, common nouns, abstract nouns, concrete nouns, countables, uncountables or non-countables, collective or group nouns and compound nouns. If you go in the higher classes, then you will see there are only two types of noun. One is abstract and another is concrete, and within this abstract and concrete all the nouns are classified. But as we are here learning the basics, so we will not learn like that, rather we will learn in detail. So today in this video we are going to cover the proper noun and common noun. Apart from this, we will have a test, we will have a practice, and that you will do with me, and after that there is a practice set for you also. So let us begin with the proper noun. First of all, let us understand what is the meaning of proper. So proper, the word proper. Proper means someone's own, something that own, one's own. Now what is the meaning of one's own? Sometimes suppose you are in a place where you are not able to find out the place where it is. So what do you ask to your friend who is on the other side of the phone and who is trying to tell you the place where you have to come? You will ask, tell me properly where I have to come. Tell me properly where I have to come, or tell me exactly where I have to come. That means you are asking the person the proper name of the place or anywhere where he is calling, or tell me properly tell me who was that who did it. Suppose in class sometimes it happens that some students done something wrong, then the teacher comes and asks them, tell me properly who was that, who was the person who is responsible for all the big things, tell me properly. So that means what? We want to know about that things particularly. We want to know the particular name of the place, we want to know the particular name of the child who did it, we want to know the place where we have to come. That means a particular name given to a person, to a place or to a thing is a proper noun. That means name given to somebody's own name. So here we have written a proper noun. A proper means what? As I told you, one's own. So a proper noun is a name which refers only to a single person. That means that cannot be shared by all. That cannot be shared by all. A proper name cannot be shared by all. It is somebody's own name. A name which is not shared by all is a proper noun. Okay. In the same way, to a given a name, to a place, to a thing, or something else. So as we know that in written English, while we write it, we always start the proper noun in a capital letter. Now let's try to understand it better. As I told you, the name that cannot be shared by all. Suppose I say Kolkata is a big city. Kolkata is a big city. In the same way, we can say that Lucknow is also a big city. Lucknow is the name of a place. So Lucknow is a, I don't have place, so that I am writing like this, as a big city. So, and we can say Delhi is, as it is a capital, so definitely it will be a big city. So here see one difference. We cannot call Kolkata as Lucknow, rather we cannot call Lucknow as Kolkata, neither we can call Delhi as Lucknow or Kolkata. That means these names are given to particularly to a place, to a city. That cannot be shared by all. That means this name is that particular city's own name. Okay, so these are all proper nouns. What are these? These are all proper nouns because this name cannot be shared by all. What is the name of your city? Can you call that city as Kolkata or Lucknow or Delhi if it is not Kolkata, Lucknow or Delhi? Got my point? Okay. So what we have understood? We have understood that a proper means somebody's own name. A proper noun is a name which is refer only to a single person, place or a thing, and there is no common name for it. Example, we have given an example. Melbourne is a city, name of a city. Only Melbourne can be called as Melbourne. We cannot call Kolkata as Melbourne, right? In the same way, Australia is the name of a country. We cannot call our India as an Australia or Australia as an India, because that country's name is particularly given. That Australia is some country's own name. It cannot be shared by all. Okay. So I hope that proper noun is getting clear to you. It will get clear if we compare it with the common noun. But first let us a little bit understand what is common noun. So a common noun is a name for something which is common for many things. So what is the meaning of common? Common means the opposite, just opposite of the proper. So proper means that we read that the name which cannot be shared by all. But here common means what? What is the meaning of common? Common means the name which can be shared by all. Shared by all. So remember this, that a name which can be shared by all, that is called common noun. That is called common noun. A name which can be shared by all is known as common noun. Acha, now see. So suppose I say Riya is a girl. Again, I don't have place. Okay, so Riya is a girl. Suppose then write Priya is a girl. Then Sindhu, PB Sindhu, famous. Sindhu is a girl, a famous girl. So what happened in these three cases, we have seen that there are this word girl is girl is common. Common means Riya is also a girl, Priya is also a girl, Sindhu is also a girl. That means we can call Riya as a girl, Priya also a girl, and Sindhu as a girl, because this name girl, this particular name girl can be shared by all, hence we call it a common noun. But now see this Riya, the name Riya, could you share the name Riya with Priya? Priya can share the name Riya. Could we call Priya as Riya? No. Can we call Sindhu as Priya or Riya? No. But we can call Riya as a girl, Priya also a girl, Sindhu also a girl. So understood what is the difference between a proper and the common noun, and what is a common noun. So simply remember that a common noun is the name that is given to some person, place or thing, and that is shared by, that can be shared by all of the same kind or class. Got it? So a common noun is a name for something which is common for many things, person or places. It encompasses a particular type of thing, like girls. Riya is also a girl, type of person. Priya is also a girl, type of girl. Got it? In this examples we can say that city, see, big city. So Delhi is Kolkata is a city, Lucknow is a city, Delhi is also a city. So the word city can be shared by all, hence we call it a common noun. Now we have a exercise. Just we will see which names cannot be shared by all and which name we can share. Okay. Suppose here is a name that is written Shilpi. Shilpi is the name of a person, name of a girl. So can you call yourself as Shilpi if you are not Shilpi? Your father has given you some name. Could you call yourself apart from that any name? No. So that means this name cannot be shared by all, but it is a name of a person. So it's clearly evident that it is a proper noun. Got my point? Now cousin. So you have many cousins. They could be girl, they could be boys. So we are not talking particularly about any cousin. That means if you have 4 cousins, whatever their names, we can call anybody as cousin. So this name cousin can be shared by all. Got it? So this is a commonly used name, or we can call it a common noun. Got it? So in the same way I bought some papers from People's Unit. So People's Unit must be a name of a shop. Got it? Name of a shop. If we say the People's Unit, I give my shop's name as People's Unit. Okay. Or some section, particular section is given a name People's Unit. So it is a particular place. And one more thing you can see that, see this P has started with what? This P has started with a capital letter, and we know that a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Hence we can say that this is a proper noun. Got it? In the next example, see Annie. Annie is a name of a person which cannot be shared by all. That means we can call only Annie as Annie. We cannot call any other girl as Annie. What? Brother. So brother can be used for your brother, my brother, or anybody's brother. So this word brother can be shared by all. Hence it's a common noun. Okay. Next example. If you want to test yourself, you can pause the video, and after that watch the example and first guess the answer and then see next. Okay. So Mrs. Bhatia brought her baby to the park. So see the baby can be called any baby, we can call baby, right now? Chota bachcha, any baby. And Mrs. Bhatia is the name of a particular woman. So it's a particularly cannot be shared by all, hence we call it a proper noun. We know it very well, right? Things are getting clear, and this is a common noun, we can understand. In the same way, park is a place. No names have been given, so that we can call it a common park, or common noun. We can call it a common noun. New Delhi is the capital of India. See now, New Delhi, could we call any other city as New Delhi? As I given you example, we cannot call. So it's a proper noun because this name cannot be shared by anyone. And India is our motherland, our lovable motherland. We cannot share this name with any other country. We cannot call Bangladesh as India. We cannot call America as India. So it's a proper noun. Got? In the same way, Paris is the name of a particular city. In the Europe is also a name, particularly name given to a continent, European continent. Our new classmate here, classmate is what? Classmate is a common noun. Tamil Nadu is the name of a state. We cannot call West Bengal as Tamil Nadu. We cannot call UP as Tamil Nadu. We cannot call Bihar as Tamil Nadu. That means a particular place, particular state's name, name of a state. We went to the zoo in New Delhi. So again, New Delhi, we can now understand. And zoo is also no name, particular name is given, so we can call it a common noun. Okay, so Aradhya likes her new dress. So Aradhya is the name of a particular person, particular girl. So we can say that it's a proper noun. Okay, Saurabh is the name of a particular boy. We can call it a proper noun. The twins went to a football match in Shimla. Shimla is the name of a city. We can call it a proper noun. And football match. Okay, done. So did you know that President Obama was elected for 2 terms? So President Obama is the name of America's president, America's previous president. Okay, so that's also a proper noun. Got it? I hope that I am coming clear to you. The things are getting very getting clear to you. You are able to understand. Next we have the strawberries. That means, see, the strawberries, we don't know about which strawberry you are talking right now. So strawberry means what? Any strawberry. So it's a proper. Got it? Binayak Farms. So Binayak Farms, see, name have been given to a farm. A name has been given to a farm. Hence it's a proper noun. Okay, and we can see that evident that it is begin with a capital letter. Suravi is another name of a girl, so we will call it a proper noun. I hope that you are able to understand. About Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro is one of the oldest civilization. We know, we read in the history. So it's a proper noun. Got it? I hope that there is no problem. At the end, I have given one test series for you. You can take the screenshot, and after that, or you can pause the video and do this. Okay, thank you very much for watching me. I hope that you have understood everything. If you have any doubts, so you could ask me in the class, or you can comment me. Thank you.